Hello my TPDs, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Sephora VIB Rouge sale haul. I just got my very last package last night actually, so I was waiting for that one to be able to film this video for you guys. At first I ordered one thing and then I kept ordering like more things as I was thinking about it. Let's see, I'm gonna take out all of the samples because I actually really used my samples and stuff this time around to try out different things. I figured that that would be a good way to try out different products that I haven't used before. Basically in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I bought from this sale, and I'm also curious to see what you guys bought maybe from this sale, if you got any of this stuff or you probably got different things. I primarily bought these items because they were things that I am interested in trying out and haven't had the chance to, and also some of them are a little bit more pricey, so I wanted to save them for the sale. The sale's a really good time to spend a little bit more money on some of those more high-end items that you normally wouldn't. I would also recommend using Ebates whenever you do shop on Sephora, or if you shop at all, ever. But especially on the sale when you're gonna spend a little bit more money, definitely use Ebates, because Ebates is a website that you are able to get cash back for what you spend when you buy things online. And Sephora has a pretty good cash back type of program. So that's how I kind of get reimbursed a little bit for some of these higher priced purchases. If you love haul videos, be sure to give this one a thumbs up. And before you go, be sure to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So let's go ahead and jump in. First thing I got is this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation. It's actually what I'm wearing right now on my skin. I am doing a wear test Wednesday, so look out for that. I have the shade R220. I have heard really, really good things about this product. It says it is supposed to blur imperfections up to 12 hours and leave a second skin finish. I also have been really wanting to try the Makeup Forever foundations. There was a matte one, like a velvet matte one, that's a liquid foundation that I really want to try, but this was new, so I figured I should try this. And I really liked that it was compact and like you could be able to travel with it. So in order to see my thoughts on this, you're definitely gonna have to check out that upcoming Wear Test Wednesday where I sit down and talk more about this product. But that was the first thing that I bought from the haul. The second product I got from the sale is the I Love Sephora eyeshadow palette. I thought that this was such a good idea and such a good price. This is definitely more of an affordable eyeshadow palette at Sephora for sure. I do want to show you guys what the palette looks like because I was actually very excited when I saw this palette. I thought it was going to be a great everyday neutral wearable palette. Ooh, it's even so pretty. This is the I Love palette. This is the light warm eyeshadow palette. So these are the colors that I got. I thought these would be perfect for every day. I love that there's 3 mattes, 3 shimmers on the bottom, and then this like matte shade to put all over your lid and set down your eyeshadow primer. I just thought this would be a very, very good palette to travel with. I am also going to be trying this out in a future video. The next product I bought is from Too Faced. It's the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. This is also coming in an upcoming Wear Test Wednesday. I really wanted to try this out because I heard really good things about it. I do really like the foundation. It can be a little bit heavy and a little cakey on my skin, so I remember decluttering that a while back, but I saw that they came out with a concealer and I did not want to pay for the full size yet, so I ended up buying the mini size that you get when you're like in the Sephora aisle of, are you sure you're done shopping yet? That's really what that aisle is for, and it's so tempting to buy something, so I did. So I bought that. The next thing that I got with one of my points is actually this Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is like a little mini one, so I could travel with this. I thought this was really good. I do really like the full size, and I do have the full size upstairs. I actually need to buy a new one soon. I probably should have bought it for the sale, but I figured I could take this one traveling with me. Next product I bought, which I'm very, very excited about because beauty blenders are so expensive. They're 20 bucks for one beauty blender and they last you a very long time, but I just feel like that's a very high price tag for a makeup sponge. However, I do use them every day. So when I saw this, I was shocked. This little trio is 45 bucks. Usually it's $20 for one. The fact that you get 3 for 45 bucks and you got money off, like this set alone was 45 bucks and then it was the sale on top of it. So you got 20% off, $45, which I can't do the math in my head because I'm not a math person, but it ended up being less than 45 bucks. I think it was like 42 or 43. So you get 3 basically for the price of 2. And I thought that was a really good deal and they're cute and pink. I actually had this in my cart and then it went out of stock before I had a chance to purchase it. So I got on their waiting list, like the email thing, and they emailed me and I was like, yes, I was hoping that this would be back in stock before the sale ends, and it did. I will always be set with beauty blenders now. Last product I actually bought that are not samples is the Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads. That is a mouthful. It says that this is a fresh peach Bellini scent. That sounds nice. But basically it's a 2% salicylic acid, 10% glycolic acid mix. And it has chamomile green tea for normal oily combination or problem skin types. Basically this is an acne treatment and it's supposed to help clear up acne and blackheads and reduce the look of pores and exfoliate and that whole thing. So these are little pads that you rub onto your skin. And I gotta say, I don't know what's going on lately with my hormones, but I've been getting a little bit more like acne on my body. So I wanted to test this out. Like drugstore products haven't been working. I've just tried like the salicylic acid drugstore washes and they don't work. I will let you know how I like these guys. I've never tried them. Apparently they're very strong and apparently they work. So I will keep you guys updated on this. As far as samples go, I did get the Bare Minerals Lash Domination sample. I got the Touche Éclat High Cover. I think this is a highlighter from Saint Laurent. I don't know how to say that, but I wanted to try that out. Also got 4 different types of lipsticks from the Sephora Lip Stories collection. And lastly, I did get a sample of the Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection foundation. So there you have it. Those are the things that I bought from the VIB Rouge sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And let me know down in the comments what you ended up getting from the sale or what you were hoping to buy and maybe didn't, and let me know your reasons because I'm super curious. I always have like a very, very large cart and then I end up with like 3 products. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great day and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.